Uh-oh, soggy linguine is no fun. But guess what? I'll teach you the exact time to cook it perfect. Let's fix it. Easy. Want 20 free lasagna recipes? Link in description. chefcrown.com/lasagna. Step 1. Fill your pot with 4 quarts of water. That's 16 cups. Linguine loves to swim. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Taste the water. It should be like the ocean. Step 3. Use 1 pound of linguine. Stir slow so it doesn't stick. Step 4. Set your timer for 9 minutes. Linguine cooks fast. Test it early. If it's a little firm, it's done. If it is too hard, cook for 1 more minute. So easy. Step 5. Save a cup of pasta water. Mix it with sauce for super creamy linguine. No more soggy noodles, just perfect linguine. You're a pasta star. Want more pasta magic? Grab our 20 free lasagna recipes. Link in description, chefcrown.com/lasagna.